Hey YouTube, what's going on? And welcome back to Carbinox Things. Today I got sent a package from Carbinox. I reviewed a number of products for them in the past, including smartwatches, a wallet, things like that. And they sent me their outdoor artillery pack. So I think this is basically a bundle that you can buy that includes like all their outdoor gear. So we're going to open this up together and see what's what and just kind of do an unboxing video. Right on the top, that appears to be the backpack. Let's take a look at what's underneath here. All right. So right away I can tell it feels pretty tough, which I think is what, the brand's all about. Got like a glass breaker on the back there. Clip actually has some pretty surprisingly strong retention. And of course, the pen. All right, let's just go one item at a time here. We'll start off with this wallet. Looks like a nice little case this comes in. And just keep in mind this is just an unboxing video. So I'll do a video on each of these products, an actual review. We're just kind of getting first impressions here. All right. Actually, it feels like pretty nice quality. Got a little bit of heft to it right there. I'm thinking this is kind of like metal with rubber around it. Okay, so you just stick your cards inside that band and then it's magnetic and you close it over top. All right, next up, let's do this little mini keychain light. So let's see, it says mini keychain light. It's got a red and blue warning light, dual light source for main side light. Okay, what's the 750 milliamp built-in battery with 300 lumens. That's not bad out of the keychain light. I do love keychain lights. I actually, while I'm thinking about it, I just got this little night core in today from gadgetconnections.com. So that was pretty cool. It's a little night core Tiny 3. So like I said, just unboxed that before this. So keep an eye out on my channel for a review of that as well. All right, little instruction manual, USB A to C cable, and a flashlight. Oh, and a little key ring. Interesting, almost looks like a little robot. Tiny little clip there on the back. Guessing that's a magnet right there. Of course, there's Carbinox along the bottom. Okay, those are like little fidget spinners. Interesting, let's see what's going on here. Power button on our left. Oh, there we go. Interesting little keychain flashlight. Haven't seen one that looks like that. All right, next up, let's do this speaker. Now, this thing is heavy. Like, that thing's got weight to it. There's the specifications on the back there. Ooh, this is nice. Very nice. Of course, I haven't heard it yet, but I mean, just the quality of the way it feels in hand. I'm kind of surprised. I wasn't sure what to expect on a speaker. And it's a little bit heavy though. I mean, it feels really nice. All right, next up we have the Carbinox sunglasses. This is one of the things I've been looking the most forward to. Oh yeah, it comes with a ton of stuff. All right, and this comes with so much extra stuff, and I'm guessing these are more lenses. Yeah, and then there's more lenses in here. That nice little Carbinox logo right there actually looks pretty good on these. It says it along the top there. Pretty neat. Looking forward to checking those out. And then last but certainly not least, we have their outdoor backpack. Pretty excited for this one. Oh my goodness, this thing is massive. I don't know if I'll be able to even get this all on camera here. Gonna try. You can see, got the Carbinox logo up there. Feels like really nice material. There's a lot going on here. We've got multiple pouches along the entire front, and then of course we have a giant inner pouch, and there's a ton going on here, so you can use this for backpacking, for camping, whatever. All right, just to recap here, here's everything you get in the outdoor artillery pack, which at least right now it looks like it's on sale for $289.95. Just looked at it on the website, so this is what you get for $289.95. A real big, nice outdoor backpack, camping backpack. The sunglasses, plus of course tons of extra accessories and lenses with it. This nice hefty speaker right here. We have the wallet, tactical pen, and this little mini keychain flashlight. And I will say everything here, it generally does feel like it goes along with the Carbinox brand. Like, it all feels like durable stuff, tough stuff. You know, Carbinox is not one of those brands in my experience where you're getting the most exotic of features. It doesn't have a lot of the extra stuff on it. They're just made to be tough. They're meant to be able to last. And so that's kind of the impression I'm getting here, but obviously this is just first impressions. So I'm looking forward to reviewing each of these and getting you guys videos on these. So yeah, thanks so much for watching and have a great week.